Here are some tips to make your group discussion more effective and productive. Active listening. Pay close attention to what others are saying and show genuine interest. Listen without interrupting and ask clarifying questions when needed. This will foster better understanding and a respectful exchange of ideas. Respect and open-mindedness. Treat everyone's opinions and perspectives with respect, even if you disagree. Create a safe and inclusive environment where participants feel comfortable expressing their thoughts. Be open-minded and willing to consider different viewpoints. Stay focused, stick to the topic and avoid going off on tangents. Keep the discussion on track by gently redirecting the conversation if it veers too far from the main subject. Constructive communication. Communicate clearly and concisely. Use evidence and examples to support your points. Avoid personal attacks and focus on the ideas being presented. Offer constructive feedback and suggestions. Equal participation. Encourage all participants to contribute actively to the discussion. Ensure that everyone has an opportunity to speak and share their thoughts. If someone is quieter, invite them to share their opinion. Time management. Allocate sufficient time for each topic or subtopic to ensure a balanced discussion. Monitor the time and gently remind participants to stay within the time limits. This will help cover all the necessary points. Summarize and synthesize. Summarize key points and ideas periodically to ensure clarity and avoid repetition. Look for common threads and connections between ideas to synthesize the discussion and reach meaningful conclusions. Problem-solving and action-oriented. Move beyond discussing problems and focus on brainstorming solutions and actionable steps. Encourage participants to generate ideas and collaborate on finding practical ways to address the issues at hand. Flexibility and adaptability. Be flexible and adapt the discussion based on new insights or emerging ideas. Don't be afraid to adjust the structure or direction of the discussion if it enhances the overall outcome. Conclude with a summary. End the discussion with a summary of the main points discussed, key takeaways, and any agreed-upon action items. This ensures that everyone is on the same page and provides a sense of closure.